Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. Today I have the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 in my hands, and the reason why I am holding this quite old phone in my hands is that I just picked this Note 3 and wanted to download an app from the Play Store, and I just noticed that this device has got a Play Store update, so the Play Store got updated to a new version. And right, as you can see, I have another device, the Galaxy S7 Edge, on the right side here, and this one has the old version of the Play Store. As you can see, they look quite similar at the first place. I mean, this menu is also really similar. But if you go into an app here, for example, Facebook here, and maybe here Angry Birds, you can see the main difference, the new design of the Play Store on the left side here. So you can see you got this paged system here, so you can scroll between apps here, just like in the App Store. So if you search on the App Store, you can basically do a you can basically scroll between apps here, and now they haven't copied that fully, but you know, it kind of looks like the Apple App Store. Right, something different which you can also see is that the install option here has got much bigger than on the right side here, and right, I mean, they have changed the whole UI here, as you can see. I mean, you can also see that you got this blue header here. If you open Facebook, for example, or if you go into Snapchat here, you can see that the header is now yellow or greenish. You know, they have changed quite a lot of things here in the menu. And right, you can also see the sub or the categories of the app. So for example, here we have Subway Surfers, and they've just reviewed the controls, gameplay, and graphics. So they have different categories to review now, which is also really nice. And right, everything else seems to be remain unchanged. And there's also a bug in this new Play Store update. For example, if you open Subway Surfers, for example, here, and then if you go into the recent apps menu, you can see that you won't get this text here that says Play Store here. So this device is running Android 5.1.1, Android Lollipop. I'm not quite sure if this issue is also present on Android 7.1.1, so on Android Nougat here. As you can see, if you open an app here, and if you go into the recent apps section, you can see that you got this text over here, where in the new version here you don't get any text in recent apps panel. Looks quite weird, but you know, it's nice to see that Google is doing something different, or trying something different in their apps. And right, so as you can see, there are no lags, no freezes or anything else. Right, so this was a quick short video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a dislike, and yeah, peace out.